Sofonisba Anguissola was born on circa 1532, died November 16, 1625, also known as Sophonisba Anguissola or Sophonisba Anguisciola. She was an Italian Renaissance painter born in Cremona to a relatively poor noble family. She received a well-rounded education that included the fine arts, and her apprenticeship with local painters set a precedent for women to be accepted as students of art. As a young woman, Anguissola traveled to Rome where she was introduced to Michelangelo, who immediately recognized her talent, and to Milan, where she painted the Duke of Alba.